Blessed day, my people. So in today's video, we're going to talk about Kartel, who is currently taking the government to court over the way he's being treated behind bars. Now, of course, so recently we have been hearing a lot of things, and basically we are here say Kartel upon 23 hours lockdown, and on top of that, we say he's suffering from Graves' disease, Zane, and also we say him have two heart condition and a whole heap of thing. We say them lock him in a one little place where we stay like an oven where him can't breathe none at all. You see? So of course that is not good, and that will definitely worsen his conditions in, and we say him have thyroidism. So a whole heap of things are going with the entertainer. So as I say, people, him actually bring the government to court, and basically he's saying that his constitutional right has been breached and stuff like that. So that's what we're going to be discussing in this video, my people. And you can tell me if you don't think that Kartel have a case, or is this just a waste of time, you understand? Anyway, people, before we're going to further into the topic, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and make sure to follow my YouTube channel News Mix. Would definitely appreciate that. And also follow my Instagram page Mix Up Time 4. Would appreciate that as well. Alright, people, with that out of the way, let us get to this article. And also I'm going to be showing you some of the people them comments in the comment section later down in this video, right? But let's get to the article first. So this is what the story is saying. Kartel takes government to court. Entertainer says placement in solitary confinement breaches constitutional rights. Kartel has taken the government to court over the Department of Correctional Services decision to place him in solitary confinement. The entertainer, whose given name is Adija Palmer, has been in 23-hour lockdown since last month. However, his lawyer Isaac Buchanan has filed documents in the Supreme Court seeking several declarations, among them being that Kartel rights to due process was breached by the critical services as he was placed in solitary confinement without a hearing. The Minister of National Security and the Attorney General have been named as respondents to the court's document. Kartel was placed in the restricted cell following the discovery of cell phones on a block where he was being housed at the Tower Street Adult Correctional Center in Kingston. His attorney, in a recent interview, said he has been in solitary confinement since Labor Day, May the 23rd. He is in locked up and locked away for 23 hours a day, and I can confirm that since lockdown, he has picked up an infection from the lockdown and he's being treated for that now. He said, solitary confinement is a form of imprisonment in which the inmate lives in a single cell with little or no meaningful contact with other people. Buchanan said that Kartel is suffering from Graves' disease, which is an autoimmune illness, and that he requires urgent medical treatment. Since the 23-hour lockdown, it is apparent that his health is deteriorating, and I can speak to the fact that his neck is swollen more than usual and that his eyes are protruding a little bit more than usual, and it is clear that he is under stress when breathing, Buchanan said in a recent interview with this newspaper. Kartel, as well as his co-convict Sean Storm Campbell, Kyra Jones and Andre St. John, are serving a life sentence for the 2011 takeout of Clive Lizard Williams. They were convicted in 2014. Kartel has been ordered to serve 35 years before being eligible for parole, while Campbell's parole eligibility period was set at 25 years. St. John and Jones will have to serve 30 to 25 years respectively before they are eligible for parole. The men were, in 2020, granted conditional leave to go to the Privy Council to challenge their sentences. However, they will not be able to present fresh evidence at the appeal. Meanwhile, Buchanan, in documents filed before the Supreme Court, has sought an order that would prohibit the DCS from placing Kartel in solitary confinement due to those conditions being a breach of his constitutional rights. The fact that his sentence is being appealed and his current health conditions, the lawyer is also seeking damages for a breach of Kartel constitutional rights, which means that the government could be required to pay money to the entertainer if the court agrees. The matter is expected to be heard next week. So yes, my people, that is what's taking place. That is what's going on as it relates to the entertainer. You understand what I say? Now, the question more I ask, Zane, and as I say, I'm going to show you some comments. Do you actually think that the entertainer will win this case? You see me? Do you think that the government actually breached his constitutional rights? I'm going to be honest with you, my people. Based on the medical, well, I know some people are going to say, yo, him is not special. You know, you shouldn't be in the, you shouldn't be behind bars with cellular phones, allegedly, Zane, my people. Yeah, we know all of that. But let's just say that, you're sick and all of them things there. Should you be placed in certain environments are yeah, but that's a certain environments because I guess where him there is in a little tiny place. Should he be placed in there if it will actually affect his health? Don't you think that is kind of inhumane, to be honest, people? You see me? I want to tell me still, because I don't want nobody say, yo, may I be biased towards the entertainer or anything like that. But, you know, that's how me feel still. Anyway, let us get to some of these comments now so we can see what some of these people must say, all right? So one person left a comment saying, speaking solely on this matter, this is the right move taken by Adija and his lawyer. A pure corruption in a Jamaica justice system, and they always get away with it. Take them to court, yes. You know our right, and you will not sit and be still when your health is at stake. Somebody say, hey, unogwe, no matter what, his health still matter. You know how much man in there do worse at things and get less years than him? Make them move them BBC. All because Kartel and he has the biggest impact on dancehall, them a do it. Free up the BBC, man. I person their dream, free him up. Them would have more add on some more years on it. Anyway, somebody say my fighter losing battle, that means him now can win. Somebody say his lawyer claims this is right to due process was breaches by the correctional services as he was placed in solitary confinement without a hearing. Is every inmate required to have a hearing before being put in solitary confinement? Because I've heard of inmates being put there all the time without one, so you don't know the thing go. Somebody said the man do enough time. The man do enough time now, so just free the man. Yeah, John, so much people are saying for free him. Let me read one more comment. Somebody say, no sir, what a man can ball like baby, only in Jamaica. Shake my effing head. And you alone sick in there, are they on solitary confinement. Just like all the other persons, you are losing all your powers and clout in there. So you want to come out. What makes you so special? Uno come for me now, all the 87, because he feels it, knows it. Or he who feels it, knows it, I guess them want to say. So, you know, that person say Kartel a ball like baby and thing with people. I want to know if you don't agree with that. You see me? I'm going to leave the video right here. Anyway, people, thanks for watching the video. Let me know what you guys think about this whole situation as it relates to Kartel. And let me know if you don't feel like he has a chance of winning this case. Or when you feel like, say, you know, maybe the government have to go pay him some money. Or when you think that the rules are going to set away for him, like them are going to bend the rule and say, look, him can't be placed in solitary confinement because of his health issue. Where do you think? More I want to be honest and tell me in the comment section. And that's it, you know, people. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also follow my YouTube channel, News Mix. And also follow my Instagram page, Mix Up Time 4. Bless upon yourself until I drop the next video. I'm out.